Hi, Bestie. It is an unboxing of my order from Baddies and Budgets. This is the thank you card that's in it. Now, I did go ahead and open up the box, but I didn't actually open up the products. So that's why it's open. Because I just wanted to see. I couldn't wait. Because I have a granddaughter, so I couldn't really get to the unboxing right away. But here we are. So let me go ahead and take the contents out of the box, and then we're just going to see what's included in it and what's my opinion about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Money was given to me for this, for my birthday, and it was on sale. It was 50% off. So, and I am excited. This was like my first order from Baddies and Budget. And let's go ahead and get into the things. I didn't even know this came with stickers, so I'm just already in awe. Already. Alright, so my first set of stickers. So I got some Bill Do stickers. Yeah, I didn't even know all this came with this. So I'm already in awe and amazed already. I didn't know that. Alright, so these are payday stickers that I'm opening right now. Look at all these stickers, guys. Alright, so this is an important sticker. Because I thought it was just a planner. So I'm just like, wow. Okay, so this is travel stickers here. So far, this was what, 4 sheets of stickers so far? Alright, and the next sticker here. Let's go ahead and open this up. What is the gym stickers? I mean, even more stickers. Alright, so the next mini stickers, the icon is mail stickers. Alright, this right here is the next one. It says holidays. And it's US holiday stickers here. Alright, and let's go ahead and get the next pack of stickers. The next pack, it says healthcare. So this is the healthcare stickers. Alright. Look at all these sheets of stickers you get with this. And I've purchased planners from other, through the years, different business, but don't get no stickers with them. Alright, the next sticker, does it say whiskey? Whiskey stickers. I don't drink, but that's okay. Alright, and the last pack of stickers is shopping. I can't believe that said whiskey. Alright, so that's, you see all those sheets of stickers? Amazed. Alright, so I have a dashboard, a finance dashboard. See, I didn't read the description, so I didn't even know all this stuff came in here. And this card stock. Alright, so now, okay, so it came with the binder. And it's an A5 binder, and I am doing A5 planning in 2026 because I have a blackout planner that I started to set up. So this is the binder. It looks like nice quality. I'm sure it's vegan leather. My main A5 planner is genuine leather from Cloth and Paper. It's a binder that I got years ago. I have several A5 binders. And I would say my top quality binders is Louis and Cloth and Paper that I have. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open the box right here. Let's open this box. So this has got to be the inserts. And if you've been on my page, you know I'm a blackout planner girl. Blackout planning is black paper. Been doing it for years now, and it's just my vibe, and it's just what I love. So it's cardstock. It feels like cardstock. It's thick. It's really thick. I like that. Alright, this says rich on purpose. Let me go ahead and open the binder up. I think I'm going to just go ahead and add the inserts in here. And the rings on here are huge. I'm not sure what size they are, but the rings on this binder are huge. I wanted to say 30 millimeter. I'm not sure. I have to look that up. Because like I said, I'm not sure if that's in the description of the products. Like I said, I didn't even know I was getting those stickers with this binder or dashboard. But with this big stack of inserts, I see why the rings are so big. So we're going to add the dashboard first. Okay, so in the back, I didn't even recognize this. The back says rich on purpose, be intentional, get rich. On the back of that dashboard. So like in my A5 that I had set up for 2026, I do have, well, I've been using it in 2025 too. I do have a finance section in that binder. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do. Cause now I have another binder for 2026. I'm not sure. What I probably end up doing is for my monthlies, I probably end up taking it out of this binder, my monthly and my weeklies, and placing it in my main A5 binder, my Epic Letter binder from Cloth and Paper. So we'll see. I have to figure that part out because I didn't realize this is so thick, guys. I had no idea it would be like this. Had no idea. Because my first blackout planner inserts that I've ever purchased is from Lights Planner Action. But with that finance inserts, that budget inserts, of course, it didn't have all of this that's in this particular binder here. This is huge. This is huge. But I understand too because I know Baddies and Budgets does focuses on finance and budget, so I understand the detail. Alright, so now that I've got everything placed in here, I want to go ahead and do a flip through. Okay, so you have the dashboard there. We saw that. Okay, then it starts off with rich on purpose, cover sheet. Okay, alright, now we have a belong to page. I'm not gonna write on this page yet, but also, it did come with 2 pens. So I'm gonna I need to test the pens out. So I see we got the white ink. I'm not sure if the black one writes in white, silver, or gold, so we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna get my personal read binder that has black paper in it to test out the pens real quick. Cause I have to test the pens out before I write my name in it. Let me change my calendar card to December. I haven't done any planning this month. I've done my budget planning, but my other planning, I haven't done none of that this month. I mean, I don't know. I just haven't done anything, and typically I do. Alright, I have been journaling though. I definitely been journaling, but I haven't done any planning or no decorative planning, nothing like that. Alright, so let me test out the white pen first. I haven't seen this white pen before. I'm not sure which brand it is. but it writes good and it does have a thin tip. I want to say 0.5. But it does write good and the ink just flows, so I do like that. And now let's test out the black pen. So last year, well, not last year, for 2025, I had, alright, so it's not a white or silver gold ink. Let me get a sticky note. Okay, so this pen writes well too. It just glides on. So for 2025, I had purchased the A5 binder from Black, and their inserts, the paper was great. I really didn't like their A5 binder, and I really didn't like the format of their inserts, and I've done an unboxing of that. But just flipping through when I was adding the inserts to this binder right here, this Rich on Purpose Black Paper Budget Planner, I'm loving it. I'm digging it. Okay, so it does start off with the index, letting you know what's included in this planner. And it also has this Welcome to Financial Planner page. Alright, so my rich white, it has the prompted questions and then my sinking funds. Alright, so next it has the monthly budget. And this is just giving you how to use the monthly budget inserts, and then it has the spending plan. So it looks like in the beginning, it's giving you tips on how to utilize the inserts. Alright, so next is your goal planner. Loving this. I'm looking forward to utilizing this as well. There's 2 sheets of that, and then you have your sinking fund. I am loving this. I'm loving this so much. Alright, then there's a sinking funds tracker, and that's by month. You put your category there, and it's a full year. Next is your bill payment tracker. I'm just so excited to get ready to start filling this out. Alright, you have your debt list here. Then next you have your payoff plan. Loving this as well. Alright, so it's blank pages. Alright, so you have your monthly calendar here. Then it has your monthly budget. And then your spending plan and your cash breakdown. And your spending plan, that's your paycheck budget there. What, we have 2, 3. Let's see how many more. We have 4. So we have 4 of those. And then we have the expense tracker. Alright, so now you have your debt progress and your net worth. Guys, I am absolutely excited, and I'm just so glad that I got this. Okay, and then it looks like it starts over per month, and it is a full year. I am so glad that I got this, and I am absolutely looking forward to utilizing this budget planner. Of all the budget planners that I've purchased for the past couple of years, I'm loving this. Alright, so it has the 52-week savings challenge here. Then it also has the 26-week savings challenge. Okay, so it has a 30-day no spend challenge. Cool. Alright, then it has another no spend challenge. And then it has a glossary. Well, Bessie, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And thank you so much for joining me today for today's unboxing. Make sure you turn on the notifications to all, because I do have that admin box. And I definitely will be doing an unboxing of that. And I can't wait to see what's in there. Alright, Bessie, have a blessed day. Toodles!